Hey everyone, welcome back. To deposit a check with CIBC Mobile app, first start by logging in. Then you're going to go to the deposit or mobile check deposit section. After that, select the account where you want the money deposited. After that, take a clear photo of the front and the back of the check. Make sure there are no blurriness. Place the check on a flat surface with good lighting and make sure the surface you're placing the check is dark. Then, to remove blurriness, clear your camera lenses with a piece of cloth or a tissue paper. And do not scratch your lenses to make the matters worse. Next, make sure all the details are visible and the check is signed. Enter the check amount and submit the deposit. Keep the check for several days until the deposit is fully processed. And that's it. Subscribe.